Hello guys, welcome to Semtech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to add fund to your DataKasa platform. Okay, so as I said in my previous videos, DataKasa is one of the best platforms you can buy cheap and affordable internet data for your MTN or AirtelTigo or Telecel here in Ghana. Okay, so in this video I'll show you guys how to add money to your DataKasa platform so that you can use it to buy data. Okay, and they have the cheapest data in Ghana here. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's go to our browser and log in. Since I have an account, I'll just log in straightforward and do the tutorial with you guys. But if you don't have an account, you can just use the link in this video description to register an account and start adding money to the platform and use it to buy data, very cheap data and affordable data. You can even resell this data to make more money. Okay, so I'll just open this browser. So this is the homepage of the platform DataKasa. Very cheap and affordable internet data. Okay, so since we already have an account, we will just click on this menu bar over here, then we click on this login to log into the account, and let's add fund to the account. Okay, so I'll just click on this login button, then I will enter my details. You can see I already have an account with DataKasa, so I'll just click it and enter my details. So when I'm done, I'll just click on sign in and I'm done. Okay, so important notice: delivery hours, they deliver from 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. daily. Orders outside these hours are processed the next day. Okay, so you can join their Telegram panel and receive daily update from them. Okay, so if you already joined the platform, you just click on this got it and we are done. Okay, so we just logged into the platform. Let me show you guys how to add money to the platform. Okay, it's very simple to do this. Okay, so we just need to just go to TopUp. You just click on this TopUp and you see this TopUp wallet interface. Okay, so you can just select the amount you want to top up, whether 5 CD or 10 CD or 20 CDs, or you can just enter the amount you want to top up over here. Let's say you want to top up 1,000 CDs, you just need to enter that amount over here. Okay, but in this video I'm using just 10 CD to do this tutorial for you guys on how to top up the money. Okay, so I'll just choose this 10 CDs. Okay, and I will click on pay securely. Okay, so they have a very secure payment system and it's very the best payment system they are using. Okay, so I'll just click on this pay securely, then I will choose pay with Momo. Okay, because I'm using my Momo to pay. You can either pay with credit card or you can pay with your bank. Okay, but for fastness I'm just using mobile money to do this video. Okay, so I'll just click on pay with mobile money, then I will enter my mobile money number here. I'll just click on this and I will choose the network. The network is already MTN, so I'll just click on confirm and a code will be sent. Okay, you can see the code has been sent already. Okay, so I'll just wait for a pop-up to come. You can see the pop-up has appeared. Let me enter my Momo pin. You can see I have successfully made payments, so this will automatically add the money to my account. Okay, but let's say when you're done making the payment, you can just click on I have completed the payment and the transaction will be perfect for you. Okay, so you can see payment successful. You paid 10 CDs to Semtech Hub. Okay, so now you can see we have successfully topped up our wallet. Okay, and this is very fast and simple. Okay, you don't need to stress yourself with any other things. This is very fast and simple, so you can just go back and start buying your data. You can now see we have 10 CDs in our account. Okay, so since we are done depositing money to this platform, I'll do another video on how to buy data with this platform. Okay, so if this video helped you to deposit money to your DataKasa page, okay, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. DataKasa is one of the best platforms you can buy cheap data from. Okay, so thank you and bye.